In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily delete your Expedia account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so to delete your account, or if you no longer use Expedia, you can permanently delete your account from either the website or even your mobile app. But this demonstration is going to be using the website. So keep in mind that account deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. You're going to lose access to your booking history. And if you have any upcoming trips, refunds, and cancellations to manage, it's best to wait until those are resolved first. Then go ahead and delete your account. Now, to do this, you want to come over to expedia.com, click onto your name, make sure to sign in, and click onto account. Now, once we're over inside of our profile here, we want to scroll down a bit and then click onto the security and settings tab. Now, on this page to the right here, we've got delete account. So go ahead and click on delete account. Now, it's going to ask you a reason why you're leaving, like most websites apps do. So go ahead and choose a reason or click other, click submit. Then once you've done that, you might need to press submit again, re-enter your password. Then also you might need to verify your identity to complete that process.